Hello friends, in this video I'll be covering some of the most awesome places to visit in New Zealand.
We are at Lower Tama Lake.
At the top of the list is Milford Sound. It is one of the most famous sound in Fiordland National Park. Milford Sound is around 3.5 hour drive from Queenstown. It is one of the most beautiful drive in the world. I'll be covering this drive in a separate video. In Milford Sound, you take a ferry to sail through the sound. It is better to book this ferry in advance since many times it is sold out. Once you are on the ferry, it is 2 hours sail through the hundreds of waterfalls and snow-capped mountains.
You should be 1 or 2 degrees. Should be around that.
God! Oh my god!
Oh,
That's totally amazing! Oh my god! That's so radical.
It's actually not
Max, I'm gonna get the picture you want. Oh yeah. Can I?
oh man, this is so good. Oh.
Sorry, so we got some dolphins in front of us.
Oh yeah. It's like, no, I think it is.
Okay, so you have that dolphin with his tail in the water like that. So that's what's happening. It is telling us that he's not happy. Because there's just little baby little calves there with him.
So many.
And sometimes they'll do this if they haven't trained their little ones.
We are going to get drenched now in this cold. Man. I want to run back inside. This is so good. Man, I'm going inside now. I don't want to get drenched. Okay, this is a glacier valley, and
Next on the list is Franz Josef Glacier.
somewhere there
It is another beautiful sight to die for. Franz Josef Glacier is on the west coast of the South Island. To reach the glacier, you'll have to walk around 45 minutes On this trail, you would cross many water streams and waterfalls and awesome views all around. At the end of this trail, you'll be treated with the sight of the gigantic glacier.
And there is a glacier. This water is directly coming from glacier. And this is white in color. I don't know how. Wow, and it's melting, and there's water coming out of it. Wow.
How we can go through there?
See, it's clear also now, not that cloudy.
Tongariro National Park is in the New Zealand's North Island. The whole national park is on the lava field, surrounded by 3 active volcanoes, Tongariro, Ngauruhoe and Ruapehu. There is a long circuit in the park, and the nearest point on the trail is Taranaki Falls, which is around 3 kilometers from the visitor center. The most interesting part of the trail is Tama Lake, which is around 7.5 kilometers, and there are 2 Tama lakes, Lower Tama Lake and Upper Tama Lake. Please carry enough water and food, since it's a long trail of ups and downs and bridges, water
We are at
streams.
Taranaki Falls.
ये खाने से आती है
We are at Lower Tama Lake. Now we are going back.
Pohutu Geyser is in Tepuya Geothermal Valley in Rotorua. This is the main geyser in the area and largest in New Zealand.
Coming up now.
It spurts almost every hour and can reach up to the height of 30 meters.
Big हो गया big. Guys, देखो कितना big हो रहा है. Fast, stop it. Tell him to stop screaming. Use her. You can't see him. Oi!
Now from we are going to have so much of clouds. Yes. Yes. Whoa, dragon.
Is a Pohutu Geyser in Tipuya Park.
Take a easy and short walk through the lush green forest and over a swing bridge to discover the amazing blue pools. These are deep and clear glacial pools on Makarora River in Mount Aspiring National Park.
Yes, 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 yes.
We have come to see this blue water. It's deep. It's not shallow.
Pancake rocks are in
We are at
Paparoa National
Pancake
Park.
Rocks.
These are heavily eroded limestone structure which have taken a shape of pancakes. Here you'll see several blowholes during the high tide.
Been in any caves today?
Ruakuri cave starts down a long spiral ramp to the bottom of the
Who here
cave.
has been to the Global Caves?
This leads to a room full of stalactites and rare limestone formations that have been created over millions of years.
They are much more delicate.
Some of them are covered with
But on
kind
either
of coral.
side of that curtain,
There are
there
also
is a
underground
rough
rivers and
sandpaper
waterfalls.
texture on the walls. We call
Also
that
in the cave are
coral.
fossils from the time when the area was beneath the sea. There are still living creatures in the cave such as glowworms, for which the Vaidamo caves are famous. The glowworm covers the cave walls with a pinprick of light, giving the effect of a starry night. Last but not the least, Bay of Island is another beautiful place where the bay is full of hundreds of islands. You can take a boat tour or a helicopter ride over this bay. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please comment down below if you need more information. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.